ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 85 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6. ಪ್ರಚಕೃಷಿ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರೇ ತದನು ರಾಜಸೂಯಾಧ್ವರಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನಭೃತಕೀಭವತ್ ಸಕಲರಾಜಕವ್ಯಾಕುಲಂ ತ್ವಮಪ್ಯಯಿ ಜಗತ್ಪತೆ ದ್ವಿಜಪದಾವನೇಜಾದಿಕಂ ಚಕರ್ಥ ಕಿಮು ಕಥ್ಯತೆ ನೃಪವರಸ್ಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯೋನ್ನತಿಃ. Word by word meaning. Tadanu, thereafter. Yudhishthire, when Yudhishthira. Prasanna bhrita ki bhavat sakala rajaka vyakulam. Prasanna, happy. Bhrita ki bhavat, becoming servants. Sakala rajaka, all the kings. Vyakula, filled with. In which all the kings happily took on the role of helpers. Rajasuyadhvaram, the Rajasuya sacrifice. Prachakrushi was performing. Ayi Jagatpate, O Lord of the universe. Tvam api, thou also. Dvija padavane jadikam, Dvija, holy men. Pada, feet. Avaneja, washing, the washing of the feet of holy men, etc. Chakartha, didst perform. Nrupavarasya, of the great king. Bhagyonnatihi, the height of good fortune. Kimu kathyate, what can be said about. Full meaning. Thereafter, during the Rajasuya sacrifice performed by Yudhishthira, in which all the kings joyfully contributed their services, thou, O Lord of the universe, didst thyself wash the feet of the holy men. To what heights did the good fortune of that great king rise? Om Tat Sat.